What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Don't mind my braids. Okay, braid out loading. All right, so don't even say nothing about that. I need to get my life together. I want y'all to keep in mind that my room was way worse than this, but a couple of weeks ago in one of my vlogs I showed y'all me pretty much decluttering my closet and stuff and cleaning up. That never got finished, so today we're gonna hopefully finish it. In the process of me cleaning up my room, I'm also getting rid of the clothes that I don't want or can't fit. That's basically it. Like, if I just don't want it or if I can't fit it anymore, I'm gonna be giving it away. I already have a pile here of things that I definitely want to get rid of, and then I also have a pile back here of the clothes that I'm keeping but I need to put in my closet so that it will look nice, put it in there properly. And then I also have some shoes down here. Don't look at my toes. I have some shoes down here that I need to do something with. If you go up underneath my bed, I have 2 baskets full of clothes that I also need to get through. So we just got a lot to do today, but it's all right because we're gonna get it done. So let me go ahead and start. I'm procrastinating. So I'm just gonna put this stuff on the floor, to be honest, because I need to clear some space. And I probably need to refold it because it's just all messed up. Okay. That almost hit me in my face. So I'm gonna start with hanging up the clothes that I already have right here, and putting it in my closet so that I can get this out the way, so that I can get those 2 bins filled with clothing items from up underneath my bed and start on that. Okay, this shouldn't take long. Let's just do it. I didn't even realize that I have a whole pile of clothes right here. I don't know why I have a wig head. What is that doing? This is what I have so far. I need to play some music. I've been in here not listening to nothing. What am I doing? I'm trying to figure out, do I want trap or do I want Aaliyah?
What it do is the baby, and did you know that you can search and play my brand new album, Baby on Baby, right here on Pandora. Try it now.
Alright y'all, so now that we've gotten pretty much the hard part out of the way, now I'm just gonna go through my shoes and figure out which ones I want and which ones I don't want. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see me do this. These are the shoes that I'm gonna be giving up. These are the burgundy Converse. I'm gonna be giving these Converse away as well. These are just like the white high top shoes. Used to be super trendy like 2 years ago. I had all the Converse. I'm also going to be giving up these Converse. I used to get a lot of compliments on these like in the 8th grade because these had like a little texture to it. I wish that I could find the other one. It has to be in here somewhere. So once I find the other pair, I'm going to be giving these up as well. These are my white Adidas. I don't even know the names. I'm not like a little sneakerhead, so I don't know what is what. I wore these out, y'all. I used to wear these shoes every single day. I'm going to give these up and replace these white shoes with some white Air Force Ones. I'm also going to be giving these up too because these are too small for me. I bought them too small and I thought that I would just, you know, be able to force myself to wear them, but they make my feet hurt, so I'm going to give these up too. So this is what the final look of the shoe rack looks like. I basically just showed y'all everything that I'm going to be giving away. Now I'm just going to go through and show y'all all of the shoes that I am going to be keeping, just in case, you know, you want to see that. These are just like my running shoes, you know, my little workout shoes. And these are probably my favorite because they're my favorite color, like this rose gold, pink type thing. These are my rose gold Air Force Ones that I got for, I think, about a year ago. I showed these in my clothing haul for school. These are just like some cute little sandals. Then I have these flats. These are just gray. They have like fringing right here. Here I have these really cute blue sandals. They have like a little strap at the ankle. Have a cute little heel that is still comfortable to walk in. They're just navy blue and they're like suede material. Then I have my OG sandals. These are like the perfect nude shoes that I have, so I really love these because these go with pretty much everything. Then I have these like black and cream striped shoes. I don't know if I want to keep these or not. I rarely even wear them. And are my hands ashy? Yeah, let me go put some lotion on my hands. I have these sandals that I rarely even wear. These are just really complicated to put on and I don't really like the way that it ties in the front. Comfortable little house shoes. My favorite boots ever. These are like a suede material as well. They're just really comfortable. These are almost like a combat boot, but I feel like you can dress these up a little bit more because of the style of the shoe. Then I just got the regular old beauty supply hair store sandals, so I got these too. This is the final look of my closet. I just have all the stuff that I'm gonna keep in here. This looks so pretty, like all these patterns and stuff. I have like my crop tops and bodysuits moving into like the long sleeve, very lightweight blouses. And then I have my 2 dresses right here, this yellow one and this polka dot black one. And then I have my jean jacket, 2 sweaters, another jean jacket. I have like some workout. These are basically all my jackets. And then back there I have 2 coats. Moving down from that, I just have this rack that separates like the top and the bottom. And I have like a mixture between like shorts and skirts here, all along here. And then back here I just have like 3 crew neck sweaters. Yeah, so down here I just have all of my jeans. And then moving on to the dresser that I have over here, I basically just have like, you know, scarves, like head scarves and stuff up there, underwear and stuff, workout clothes or like lounging clothes like leggings and stuff. Bottom 2, I don't really have anything in there. It's just like miscellaneous stuff. Over here, this is what the shoe rack is looking like an overview of it, so you can see. Bam. Now that the hard part is over, the only thing left to do is to transfer all the clothes that's on the floor that I'm going to be giving away into a trash bag so that I can go ahead and haul it off to Goodwill or wherever I decide to take the stuff. So let's do this and then we be done. We be done. So I did end up deciding that I do want to separate some stuff and see what I want to give to Plato's Closet. You know, just see if I can get some money off of it. Plato's Closet only takes clothing items that are still in style and still like in season and stuff. So as long as it's in style and within the fashion trend, they're gonna take it. y'all, so we are done here. Look at how clean the floor is. This is the donation pile. I even ended up fixing this and like kind of filling in the spaces on this little wall right here. So that's nice. It looks better than what it did before. It's 12:07 and we started like at 9. I need to clean this mirror off and then I'll be good. I also need to vacuum. So I want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank you for joining me with this task of cleaning up my room and getting everything that I want to donate out of here. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.
One of the best to ever do it.